Hey everyone, this is Adam surviving Winter Storm Juno Part 2, and it's about 11:30 p.m. in Manhattan right now. Transportation has officially been shut down, and it is going to provide quite a bit of challenges for many people out there. I did a lot of coaching today, coaching people through the storm and teaching them how to squat deep. Just go deep, because they are going to experience some deep snow tomorrow, deeper than the city has ever seen. So hopefully they can squat deep and just conquer.